All right, XRP Army, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys for stopping back. Let's have a realistic conversation about XRP because I'm seeing some crazy stuff out there, as I know you guys are. And I just want everybody to have at least an understanding of what it means to have realistic expectations. And, there's so many different opinions on both sides of the aisle. And you got to take it all in, listen to it, but you also have to form your own ideas, your own hypotheses, if you will, about how this is all going to play out. So on one side, you have XRPs going to zero. It's not valuable. Bitcoin maxis hate XRP. They think it's just a crock of you know what, and it's done. It's forever gone. Whatever. Then you have people saying XRP's price is going to go to $1,000 tomorrow, or it's going to go to $100 tomorrow. Guys, you got to be realistic here where we are right now in the process of XRP. We're finally getting to this point where it's actually being legitimized in the United States. This is a US company that's never been legitimate in the United States because it's been drugged through the mud in a 4-year plus lawsuit. And yet we're still talking about a crypto that is in the top 5, the 4th largest market cap, the 3rd if you exclude stable coins. And XRP has already been above Tether in that number 3 spot. And it's about halfway to flipping Ethereum right now. And I was mentioning this today, on my space. The thing with XRP that not a lot of people understand, at least in my opinion, there's a much, much bigger play here than just what it offers today. Just what the narrative is about XRP today, about cross-border payments, remittances, etc. Well, I think that's extremely valuable, and there's a huge use case there. I think the real big play for Ripple and for XRP is tokenization as a service, guys. Because we're moving into a world that I believe is going to become tokenized, a world where everything needs to be reimagined, redesigned for the blockchain. And when we talk about tokenization, we got to talk about the big players at the top. And you got to start with Ripple. They've got a big partnership with Ondo Finance, who's working with JP Morgan Chase and BlackRock to tokenize US treasuries and equities. I think Ripple's big play here is tokenization as a service. But realistically, again, being realistic here, it's not all going to happen tomorrow. XRP's price is not going to jump to $100 tomorrow. Is there still value in investing in XRP at these price levels? I think the answer to that is yes. But if you zoom out here on the chart, we are at a relatively high point on the chart, right? Now, we have come back down a little bit too, okay? If you look at the last year or so, we're up 345%. Right now, anytime we dip down below $2, that screams opportunity to me as an investor. And again, I'm just giving you guys my thoughts, my opinions, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence, all of that. You can listen to me, but don't take it as gospel. I'm giving you guys my thoughts. And the reason why I think it's undervalued is it's not available to the institutional clients yet in the United States. You can't invest in XRP like you can invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum yet through traditional avenues like ETFs, which I think are coming, but we have to be patient because they're still crossing the T's and dotting the I's with the lawsuit. So the price of XRP, in my opinion, it's not going to fly to $100 tomorrow. I mean, is the value of XRP, could it be in the trillions of dollars in market cap someday? I think the answer is yes. Here today, we're sitting at 140 billion. If they get a big piece of this tokenization puzzle, which is, we're talking tens of trillions of dollars, this industry is going to, be valued at by 2030 by all the experts. Hell yeah, XRP is undervalued at these targets. So a lot of it comes down to where you are in terms of your timeline. How far do you want to take this thing? How long are you willing to invest? How patient are you willing to be? And all while saying this, it's speculative. It's speculative. We're speculating on what the future holds. XRP, though, to me is a great investment still because it is the largest US-based company by market cap. It has the ability to acquire other companies as well. That's something not a lot of people talk about. Brad Garlinghouse went on record saying they're not concerned about a Ripple IPO. They acquired a company called Hidden Road for $1.5 billion to help bridge the gap from TradFi to DeFi. I think this is the tip of the iceberg in terms of them acquiring a lot of other companies. There's fresh rumors that they're looking to acquire USDC, the second largest stablecoin. Why? Because I think their real big play here is going after tokenization in addition to cross-border payments. So with all that being said, am I bullish on XRP? Hell yeah. Do I think XRP is going to go to $100 tomorrow? Hell no. And I'm just being realistic here, guys. Now, if you guys do want to get the access that I have in terms of my trading style, what I look for, I use my trading indicator XT Algo to find the best deals and bargains in the cryptocurrency market, in any market. Bearish, bullish, doesn't matter. There's money to be had. I walk you through how to set up your own customized alerts. $1 a day gets you started. Use the discount code link down below to get started today. I am telling you guys, this is a tool in your toolbox that you will have for the mega bull run that I think is still coming. And you're going to be able to take advantage fully of these markets. I highly encourage you guys to use the discount code. That middle package that you see at $125 becomes $90. It's $1 a day when you use the discount code link down below. XRP Army, I appreciate you guys. Just wanted to talk at you, give you guys some insights. And did I tell you Bitcoin hit an all-time high today? That happened too. Bitcoin hit an all-time high today, which is freaking insane. Absolutely love it. Appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next one.